All right, how you doing? I'm here to introduce the Civitella Lasher machine. We're going to be offering through General Machine Products. Just go over a few things with you. It's a dual lashing purpose machine. You can run 2 coils on it. It will overlash depending on how you want to set it up in the rear of the machine. So right now I'm just going to show you how to basic lash with it, okay? So first we're going to start off by wiring the unit, and then I will go over the different aspects of how the machine will work. Okay, first you want to arrange the bundle and bring your buckles down to the center so you can cut them loose from the bundle. As with all lashers, you want to remove 3 of the buckles, leaving the one where it's tied off at alone until you get it in the machine. The thread on the cover is a left-handed thread, so there's no need to set or tighten up any set screws. The lid will automatically tighten on its own. Okay, if you notice the way he's loading this up, you want the wire to pan out downward over this roller, which we'll explain to you after we get the lid on. Again, it's left-handed. There it goes. All right, now after you get your lid secured, you're going to cut the buckle. At the end. There we go. All right, and now it's going to follow the way it goes. All right, for demonstration purposes, you can actually see where the arrows direct you. All right, if you want to get in for the wire, there's a flat spot here. So otherwise it's a tight fit, you're going to have to feed it in. So that's what the flat here is for. All right, so for right now, he's got it all wired, and we're just going to tie off to the handle till we get it up on the line. All right, now with this machine, these knobs on the end are a real tensioner. So if your coil is starting to unravel on you, you want to screw this in. It's got like a system inside that's going to spread out and hold your reel so there's not so much play in it. So that's going to be depending on what you're lashing with and how fast you're going. Make sure your lid is tightened down on both sides. We are going to double lash as a demo. All right, and this one has the same feature. All right, now in the rear of the machine, you want to get your strand lock ready for accepting the cable. So you want to unscrew this so this is loose, okay? Drop your wheel out because that's what's going to go underneath your strand. On the rear lifter, if you bring it out and just do that, it's going to swing on you. All right, so you want to have it in a stand-up position. It will not fall back into the unit no matter how this spins. All right, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught up on the line. Okay, your strand's going to roll in here and your cable will go through. On the front end of the machine, you have a buckle you're going to open up. This comes up and has a locking mechanism with this little thumb screw right here. You'll hear it lock in. All right, so you won't have any problems with the machine closing up while you're trying to get it on the line. To release it, you pull it in, close it, and rebuckle. All right? So right now, here's your vertical, okay, which you should be setting within a 1/8 inch. You all know the routine. And here's your rear lifter to cinch the bundle up. All right, so right now we're just going to leave this all wide open until we get it up on the line. Here, this is what unlocks your barrel. All right, you want to pull it and drop it. Your unit will now spin. To lock it, line up the arrows, and it is locked. All right, perfect. All right. All right, so he's locking the wheel that's going to come up underneath the messenger. Okay, let's go. There you go. All right, now with the upper part, you're going to engage your strand lock. If you watch the pulley come up, you can see how it's going to engage the messenger. And put a little bit of tension on there. That'll work. All right. Come around to your rear end of the machine. Pull your pin. Close it. Rebuckle. Bring your vertical in. Bring your rear lifter up. All right, we are now ready to lash. All right, a feature on this machine is most of our machines, you have a toe plate to push on to release or a declutching mechanism. On this one, there's a lever. So right now, it is a free mode. Now you can hear a click. That's your anti-back roll. It will not back roll after that. So if you come up too close to a pole and you need to back up, you want to flip this up and the machine will roll backwards. Then you re-engage it and it'll stop you again. So you're good to run again, all right? So right now we're gonna go back and we're gonna tie this off and we're gonna pull with it. Wait, that closer?
Yeah.
That good?
That should be good.
All right. I can't reach this.
Did you get it? Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
All right. All right, we're tied off to the bug nut. We're going to get our towing bridle, which is included in the case with the lasher. And you're going to hook off to the towing eyes in the back. All right. All right, now on the top of the machine, you're ready to lash. So you want to deconnect it. Make sure you're going to spin that you're off and you're ready to go. All right, after you're done tying your lasher off, this handle will collapse against your casing. Now it'll keep it out of the way of the case or the wire when it's going around the unit, okay? You're ready to lash. I don't want to catch that on your head. All right, without not rolling backwards, stayed in place.
Ready to go, right?
Ready?